If you are a bow tie method person, that's also, we call it the distributive property, then here is your refresher for that. Let's take our two factors. We're doing 37 times 25. So we want to take our factors and we want to decompose them into their place values. So 37 becomes 30 and 7. 25 becomes 20 and 5. And then what I do is I multiply each of those parts by the other parts of the factor. And we do that using a bow tie. Now, it doesn't matter what order you do it in because of the I guess that would be the commutative property, as long as you do all the parts. So I'm going to choose a color here so I can keep track of myself. I think I'll do this dark green color. And you're going to want to record the products that you get when you do these. So I'll start by doing, how about just the 5 times the 7? So I draw my two line connecting the factors that I am multiplying, and then I write my product somewhere on my paper to keep track of all the products that I'm making. And I want to do it in like a place value chart, so lining up my place values. So 5 times 7 is 35. And I fear I might be writing too big, but let's hope it works out. Then I can do my next number. I think I'll do 5 times 30. 5 times 30 is 150 because 3 times 5 is 15, and I put the 0 on the end, so 150. I'm lining my numbers up in their place values. So all my 1s are in the same column, all my 10s are in the same column. That will really help me when I add. Then I'll do 20 times 7, which is 140 because 2 times 7 is 14, and I just put my 0 on the end. I don't know if you can hear my cats, but they're fighting. And then I'll do my last one, which is 20 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6, and put 2 zeros on the end to make 600. And you know what? I think I'm going to write it up here so I can leave myself some space. So I have my 4 products, and then what I do is add those up to get my product of my whole problem, my 37 times 25. So let's see, 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. Let's see, 0 plus 3 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 4 is 12. And then I can regroup that. 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So my sum here of all the products becomes my product of this whole equation. So 37 times 25 is 925. So that again is the bow tie method, which uses the distributive property.